cooking!
Hello and welcome to Super Seren's cooking show. Today we're making treats for animals.
Ooh, do you mean for animals like me?
No, Sloth. I mean for animals like rabbits and birds.
Oh.
The first thing we're going to be making is bird feed fat cakes. So to make this you will need 500 grams of birdseed and 250 grams of lard and string to tie it to a tree and a ukulele. No, this is for my concert later.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Did you know that bread isn't very healthy for birds and it's much better to get them seeds? The first thing you need to do is put your big lump of lard and all of your birdseed into a big bowl or pan. Perfect. And next, all you have to do is mix it all up. Once you've mixed your lard and your seed together, it's time to get a big handful and make it into a ball. Like this. Once you've got your ball, get your string and take it like this and push it into the middle of the ball. And next you just need to squish it all back together to hold that string in. Now you need to put your fat ball into the fridge for later to harden up. Next we're going to be making rabbit treats. Did you know that a rabbit's diet should be about 80% hay? But we can make these treats as a little snack on the side. We're going to be making apple and banana crisps for our pet bunnies. For this, you will need a banana, baking parchment, an apple. Preheat the oven to the lowest temperature you can. First of all, you need to peel the banana. Once you've peeled your banana, you need to chop it into really thin slices. Make sure you've got an adult to help you with this bit. Next, we're going to chop the apple. Again, we're using a very sharp knife, so make sure you get an adult to help you. Now we're going to chop it into really thin slices.
Ooh, could I have a bit?
No, Sloth, it's for the rabbit.
Oh!
Next, all you need to do is line a baking tray with baking paper and then put your sliced apple and banana on it. Now all you need to do is put them in the oven. They need to go in for about 2 hours, but check on them every half an hour, and if they're not brown after 2 hours, then keep checking and leave them in for a bit longer. No, Sloth, they're not for you!
Oh!
When your rabbit treats are brown, take them out of the oven and leave them to cool.